So,
I'll ask you five questions regarding our profession, your passion. Okay, it's my ambition. So that's our mission. Okay, nice. Welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today we're going to interact. A great personality is one of the English teachers from Andhra Pradesh, from Srikakulam district, and is very famous speaker. Is very particular about his pronunciation, and he has taken some signing regarding phonology, phonemes, and I love very much because of he's very passionate speaker and very fluent speaker, and I think very efficient speaker and excellent speaker. Today I feel very happy to interact with him. And please introduce yourself, sir. I know about, but our viewers want to know something about you. So please introduce yourself, sir. Yeah.
yes, uh, first of all, I thank you for your warm welcome. And this is Mohara from Srikakulam, present working at Government High School Palasa. Today, I come before you to share my feelings regarding spoken English.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, what are the main important main features or salient features? Very important things. How to one can acquire the fluency or communication skills and spoken English or broken English, whatever it may be. So, how one can develop communication skills, sir? Please let me know about your experience and what are the small tips or tricks or strategy or methods or what are the tricks, sir? Let me know from you.
Yes, sir. One thing, the answer is there from in your question itself. It
Yeah.
is an acquisition process. It is not a learning process. Learning a language is not. Many people say that we can learn language, but language is acquired. It cannot be
Yes.
learned. We can learn the rules. We can learn many things either in mother tongue or in the targeted language. But only through practice one can acquire language. Unless we speak language, we can never acquire it. Main principle in acquiring language, attack the language, speak and learn. One has to target the language. That's all.
Okay. Yes. Actually, many people they are trying to know about language. They are
Yes, sir.
trying to know about the everything, every part of the mission. Instead of
Yeah.
learning communication skills, they're learning about the grammar rules and regulations. Okay, okay, let it be, sir. So I think, sir, so you are very particular about pronunciation, the phonology. So
Yes.
pronunciation is really essential. Is it important to be a good communicator, to be a great speaker? Is it necessary? Because so yeah,
Yeah.
regarding pronunciation, please, sir, yes, sir.
Now there are many aspects right here. First of all, we have to speak about acquiring language. Acquiring language in the sense there are three basic steps. Basic language acquisition, intermediate language acquisition, and advanced language acquisition. In basic English language acquisition, we need not bother about all these things. The thing is, we are supposed to learn all the things, and when we are learning the things, many a time we are supposed to think in our mother tongue. There is no problem to think in our mother tongue, but we should not utter those sounds. We are supposed to utter the sounds of English language. Suppose if it is our targeted language,
Yeah,
whatever our
yeah,
targeted language could be, we must utter the sounds only in the targeted language, whether it is Hindi or Odia or English, whatever it could be. One
but
has
one
to,
more thing, sir. Yeah.
yeah, coming to your point, whether, sounds, are important in speaking a language. Language is basically sounds. Sounds.
Yeah.
Language is nothing but sounds. One has to learn the sounds of language. Any language. There are 44 sounds in English. One has to master them. Then only he can understand. And many people feel that we don't have any environment to speak English. We don't have any environment and we don't have our neighbors all the while they speak in Telugu or in Odia or in Hindi. They speak like this, sir. In this digitalized society, we should never excuse ourselves like that.
Yeah.
When, yeah, let's take a small example. Your channel is there. In your channel, most of the speakers are there. They are speaking in English. They
Yeah.
can make use of it as a source for them to speak in English, no doubt. And moreover, we have to first, the person who is supposed to learn English, he must be a good listener first.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, he has to listen to the sounds, how they pronounce. So a simple word is there. Of course, it might be sounded in a different way in different areas. We need not about. I mean, we need not bother about all those sounds. At least in the basic stage, we are supposed to know what do we call the various things in our surroundings in English. You need not bother about the sounds and all the things. The thing is whether we are able to know or recognize the particular thing in English or not. That's important. After that, in intermediate level, you can just think of the sounds and how you are pronouncing them. In advanced level, you can purify them.
Yeah.
And you can just, of course, this is the way we are supposed to listen. A
Actually,
language is all through connected with only sounds, sir. Most of the, even we can take our own mother tongue. Even if we take our mother tongue, there are many sounds, and yeah, nearly 56 sounds are there, most probably. And if
yeah.
I am not wrong. And
Yeah. Yeah.
this, yeah, and most of the people feel that, yeah, we are supposed to learn a good amount of vocabulary in English, and then only we can and speak English. This is all. Okay, we can say that it is a wrong feeling, or simply to say we should not use a great vocabulary here is a wrong idea, at least. And most of the people feel that when we learn a great amount of words, we can speak English, and when we learn tenses, we can speak English. When we learn this and this, we can speak English. If you observe the native speakers, they never follow grammatical rules. They
Yeah.
never follow grammar. You know, most of the times, even a single word, suppose, yeah, do you like watching movies? Some people say, no, I don't know. Some people say, never. That's over, sir. Answer is over,
Yeah.
never. Yeah. So, all it depends on the way you respond. It
Yes.
is nothing to do with grammatical rules. Whatever sounds you are producing, that is important. And moreover, sir, this is my sincere appeal to all the learners of English. When we learn English, we must learn through concepts.
Yes.
Concepts. I mean, there are many concepts there. Here, I feel like this. You can take modal verbs, and each verb, I mean, you can take at least will. What does it
Yeah.
denote?
It generally it says something about our intention or our futurity, and so there are can be used as a noun, it can be used as a verb. Okay, according to our concept, you can use.
Hello. Due to the poor internet connection, we can't continue our conversation. We will continue in the next video. Thank you. Thank you.